Hi friends, in this lecture we will discuss about particulate nature of matter and properties of matter. Okay. In previous lecture we have discussed about different things which are made from one kind of matter or more than one kind of matter. Okay. In that we have discussed many things. Okay. Now in this lecture we have to we have to see one activity, and from that activity we can understand the properties of matter in more detail. Okay, so let us see this activity. In this, first one is fill a glass of water. First one is fill a glass of water, glass of water up to a brim, up to a brim. Drop a small stone in it. Drop drop a small stone in it. Drop a small stone in it. Small stone in it. What happens? Okay, what happens? What happens? Second, second is second is take a balance, take a balance, place, take a balance, take a balance, take a balance. Place a small stone in one pan. Place place a small stone in one pan, in one pan and in one pan and a big stone in order, and a big stone in order, big stone in order. Okay, which pan does down? Why? Which pan which pan does which pan does goes down? Why? Goes down, and why? Okay, first of all understand these questions, and then we will answer all these questions. Okay, objects, which properties of matter can you tell? Which properties which properties of matter can you tell? Can you tell? Can you tell? From the above activities, from the above activities, from the above activities. त्या ठिकाणी पहा, जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे आपला, त्यामध्ये काय म्हटलेलं आहे, फिल ए ग्लास ऑफ वॉटर अप टू ए ब्रीम. तर आपल्याला एक ग्लास मध्ये वॉटर फिल करायचं आहे आणि त्यानंतर आपल्याला एक स्मॉल स्टोन त्याच्यामध्ये टाकायचं आहे. तर काय होईल? तर या तुम्ही पाहू शकता की ज्यावेळेस वी फिल द वॉटर इन ए ग्लास, that water occupies some volume of the glass. Okay, and when we uh, drop a small stone in a glass, then the volume of water will change. Okay, and that stone occupies some volume of the glass, and that's why the water will come out from the glass. Okay, because of the volume of water gets changed. And second one is take a balance. तर दुसऱ्या ह्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला काय घ्यायचं, एक बॅलन्स घ्यायचं, एक तराजू घ्यायचा आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये एका त्या ठिकाणी दोन पॅन असतील. तर एका पॅन मध्ये आपल्याला एक स्मॉल स्मॉल स्टोन ठेवायचा आहे आणि दुसऱ्या पॅन मध्ये आपल्याला बिग स्टोन ठेवायचा आहे. तर तुम्हाला माहित आहे की द पॅन इन विच बिग स्टोन इज केप्ट दॅट पॅन गोज डाऊन. ओके, ज्या पॅन मध्ये मोठा दगड ठेवलेला आहे तो पॅन खाली जाणार आहे, कारण we know that in when the big stone is having uh, larger quantity of matter, that's why the mass of big stone is greater than the mass of small stone. Okay, in small stone less quantity of matter is there, and that's why the pan which is having a big stone that goes down. Okay, so which properties? So there are two properties coming in front of us. That is, first one is volume and second one is mass. Okay. So these two properties are having. Okay. Let us see. Objects have mass, and mass can be measured with the help of devices like the common balance. Okay, so here there is one sentence which is very important. The objects the objects the objects have mass. The objects have mass, and the objects have mass can be measured with the help of devices, and mass can be mass can be measured mass can be measured with the help of devices, with the help of devices such as common balance. Okay, such as devices like common balance. Okay, devices such as common balance common balance. Okay, also they occupy space. Also they occupy also they occupy also they occupy space. Okay, also they occupy space. They acquire both these properties from the matter. They acquire they they acquire both these properties these properties both these properties from properties from from the matter that they are made of. from the matter 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 that they are made of that they are made of. Okay, they are made of. So in this activity, we can say that every object has two properties, that is mass and volume. Okay, in other words, mass and volume are two important properties of matter. Okay, so we should understand that these two, that is mass is what we have discussed about mass. Mass means the quantity of matter contained in an object. Okay, that is the mass. SI unit of mass is kilogram. Okay, this mass and volume, these mass and volume are the properties, okay, are two important properties of matter. Volume are two important two important properties are two important properties of matter. Okay, are two important properties of matter. So write down these things, then we will discuss other things. So let us see what is mean by mass and volume. Okay, what is mean by mass and volume? Let us see. Okay, so what is mean by mass? Let us see. So mass is denoted by letter M. Okay, mass, letter M. So the quantity of material, the quantity, the quantity of of material contained contained the quantity of material contained in an object is called as mass. In an object in an object is called as mass is called as mass. Okay, so it is denoted by letter M, and SI unit of mass is SI unit of mass is kilogram. Okay, kilogram, that is kg. So there are other units of mass also, that is gram. Okay, that is the CGS unit of mass, gram. Then other larger units are also there, quintal, ton. Okay, 1 quintal is equal to 100 kilograms, and 1 ton mass means 1000 kilogram. Okay, remember all these things. And what is meant by volume? Okay, CGS unit of mass is CGS unit. Remember all these things. CGS unit of mass is gram. Okay, gram. And 1 ton mass means 1 ton. That is equals to 1000 kg. Okay, what is mean by volume? Volume means what? The space occupied by an object, that is called as volume. Okay, whatever may be the object, that object occupies some space. Okay, and that is called as volume of that object. Okay, the space occupied, the space, the space occupied, the space occupied by an object, by an object is called as, is called as volume, is called as volume. So SI unit of volume, remember, that is meter cube, that is cubic meter. Okay, and CGS unit of volume, that is centimeter cube, centimeter cube. Okay, so this is about mass and volume. You should know what is meant by mass and what is meant by volume. Okay, then write down these things. Now let us see many kinds of matter found in nature are in pure form. Okay, many kinds of matter, many kinds of matter found in nature, found, found in nature, found in nature, found in nature, nature are in pure form, are in pure, are in pure form, are in pure form. That is, they contain only one constituent. That is, that is, they contain, they contain only one, only one constituent, only one constituent. That they contain only one constituent. Okay. In scientific language, matter made of only one constituent is called as substance. Okay. In scientific language, in in scientific language, in scientific language, the matter, the matter, the matter made of only one constituent, the matter made of the matter made of only one constituent, made of only one constituent constituent is called as is called as substance, is called as substance. ओके. जो मॅटर फक्त आणि फक्त एकाच कन्स्टिट्यूएंटनं बनलेला असतो त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, सबस्टन्स. फॉर एक्झाम्पल गोल्ड, डायमंड, वॉटर चॉक. फॉर एक्झाम्पल फॉर एक्झाम्पल गोल्ड गोल्ड डायमंड. गोल्ड म्हणजे काय, सोनं. डायमंड म्हणजे हिरा. ओके. chalk. So these are the substances. Okay. Chalk, water, etc. Okay. तर many matter जो असतो, many kinds of matter in nature are in the pure form. Okay, that they contain only one constituent. Okay, त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, substance. Other kinds of matter are made of two or more substances. तर दुसऱ्या प्रकारचे जी मॅटर असतात, other kind of matter are are made of made of two or more substances. Two or more substances. Two or more substances. Two or more substances, and they are called as mixtures. आणि त्यांना आपण काय म्हणतो, मिक्सचर्स. ओके. दे आर कॉल्ड एज मिक्सचर्स. तर मिक्सचर्स म्हणजे काय असतात, मिश्रणे. ओके. त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, मिश्रणे. त्यांच्यामध्ये किंवा एकपेक्षा सॉरी, नॉट वन, मोर दॅन वन. ओके. एकपेक्षा जास्त जर त्या ठिकाणी सबस्टन्सेस मिक्स असतील तर त्यांना आपण काय म्हणतो, मिक्सचर्स. ओके. फिजिकल मिक्सचर of more than one substances. Okay, that is called as mixtures. Write down. Now let us see. तर इथपर्यंत आपण पाहिलं की जे काय फिजिकल क्लासिफिकेशन असेल मॅटरचं, त्याच्यामध्ये सॉलिड, लिक्विड, ओके, अँड गॅसेस. ओके, त्याबद्दल आपण डिस्कस केलं. तर आता आपण पाहूया की जे केमिकल क्लासिफिकेशन आहे मॅटरचं, आपण पाहिलेलं आहे की केमिकल क्लासिफिकेशन मध्ये कसं असेल, प्युअर सबस्टन्सेस आणि मिक्सचर्स. ओके. तर प्युअर सबस्टन्सेस मध्ये काय असतात, प्युअर सबस्टन्सेस मध्ये असतात एलिमेंट्स. ओके. एलिमेंट्स म्हणजे काय, मूलद्रव्य. ठीक आहे. एलिमेंट्स म्हणजे मूलद्रव्य. जसं कार्बन आहे, नायट्रोजन, ऑक्सिजन, हायड्रोजन. दीज आर द एलिमेंट्स. ओके. लाईक गोल्ड, सिल्वर. दीज आर द एलिमेंट्स. एलिमेंट्स म्हणजे मूलद्रव्य. ठीक आहे. वेन more than one elements two or more than two elements, okay, ज्या दोन किंवा दोन पेक्षा जास्त एलिमेंट्स when they are either physically combined or chemically combined. Okay, when they are physically combined they are called as mixtures. Okay, and two or more than two elements when chemically combined. Okay, when their chemical combination is there, and at that time they are called as compounds. Okay, so for example, water. Water is a compound of hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, hydrogen and oxygen. That's why water is a compound, and these elements and compounds are pure substances. Okay, water is a pure substance. Okay, gold is a pure substance. Understand? And that mixtures are maybe of two types. We know that. That is homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Okay. Homogeneous mixture means what? In that mixture, the chemical composition is same throughout the mixture. Okay. And if there is no chemical composition is uniform. Okay, if there is no uh, uniformity in composition throughout the mixture, then that mixture is called as heterogeneous mixture. Okay, so uh, let us see about elements. Okay, elements. So our chapter is what? Elements, compounds, and mixtures. Okay. So in elements, do you know? Do you know? Do you know? Do you know? To date, scientists have discovered. To date, to date, scientists scientists have discovered 118. Have discovered. Have discovered 118 elements, etc. Elements discovered 118 elements. Out of these, discovered 118 elements. Out of these, out of these, 92, 92 elements occur in nature. 92 elements occur in nature while the remaining are man-made. While the remaining the remaining while the remaining are man-made. While the remaining are man-made. Okay. While the remaining are man-made. Hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon, hydrogen, hydrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, 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 iron, mercury, copper, iron, mercury, iron, mercury, copper, copper are some of the natural are some of the natural elements. Okay, natural elements. So remember these things. Naturally occurring elements are 118. Out of these, okay, 92 elements are 92 elements are occurring naturally, okay, and remaining are man-made elements, okay, remaining are man-made elements, okay. So remember all these things. More new elements are being discovered through research work. तर या ठिकाणी वेगवेगळ्या एलिमेंट्सचा शोध होत आहे रिसर्च वर्क मधून. ठीक आहे. राईट डाऊन दीज थिंग्स. So friends, hope you understand all these things in very well manner. Okay, keep studying. Now we stop here. In next lecture, we will discuss elements in more detail. Okay, thank you.